Good afternoon, class. And how are we today? It is a bit hot, isn't it? Yes, I had a nice cold drink during the lunch break. You too? Wonderful. Well, listen, as you know, today we begin Unit 1 on travel and communication. And this particular lesson today is the first lesson of the unit. Is that clear? Good. And what is the lesson entitled? Yes. Modes of travel. Modes of travel. Meaning, of course, the different means we use to get from one place to the next. Isn't that so? Great. So, how did you come to school this morning, Martin? Oh, you took the bus. Do you know I traveled by the bus also today? Because it's very convenient and it drops me right in front of the campus. What about you, Angela? You walk to school. Okay. So, class, does that mean the legs are a form of transport? Of course, we need our legs to walk from one place to the next, but we wouldn't put the legs as a mode of transport. Okay? We take that for granted. If human beings have legs, they will walk. What else? Okay, you, Candace. Ah, you came to school on your dad's bicycle. Oh, wonderful. Did you ride it yourself? No, daddy had you in the basket. Wonderful. That is great. So, class, it means already we know about the ways of traveling, ways of moving from one place to the next, ways of transportation. Great. So, at the end of today's class, I would want you to create a poster classifying these different modes of transport according to land, sea, and air. Does that sound right? Is there any other way we can travel other than by land, sea, or air? What was that, Timothy? You can fly? Of course you can fly. Where do you fly? Class, on these three, where do you fly? In the air. So, Timothy, we will talk about that. Okay? Great. So, here what I want you to do now, I want you to split up in your groups of 5. So, we will have 5 groups of 5. And I want you in your groups to think about how we travel on land, how we travel on sea, and how we travel on air. So, these 2 groups here will do land. These 2 groups here will do sea, and this group here will do air. Is that fine? Great. Okay, so let me give you 5 minutes to do that particular exercise. Oh, great. I love the excited chat I'm hearing among you here. So I will take a look and see what each group is coming up with. Oh, the classroom is beautiful, filled with the buzz of young students thinking about the various modes of travel. Wonderful. So you have 2 more minutes to complete. Good. Yes, and remember, each group has to choose a group leader. That group leader will let us know what are the various modes of travel you came up with for the different groups. Great. All right, so let's see. Okay. Oh, but you all seem to be finished already. That's great. All right. So we all finished before time. Give yourselves a hand. That is very, very, very good. So now what I will do, I will clean the board. I will leave just the 3 columns there. Land, sea, and air. And I want the group that Timothy is in there to begin to tell me what you have for land. Bicycle, great. Cars, right. Trucks, wonderful. What is that, donkey cart? That's good. That's traveling on land, isn't it? Yes. We may no longer have all those sugarcane fields, but we still see the donkey cart being used. What else? Oh my goodness. Who came up with that word? Rickshaw? Where did you see that? Oh, in the movies. Great. The rickshaw does move on land. I like that. This is very good. Now, class, do you like what we see here on the land? Let's give that group a hand. Let's see numbers 3 and 4 here. What do you have for C? Ah, obvious. Ship. What did you say, Martin? Boat. What else? What do we have for travel on sea? Oh, nothing else? Oh, don't look so sad. We seem quite limited, but those are definitely the 2 key items we have on the sea. And what do we have for the air now? Good. The airplane. Anything else? Marcia said hot balloon. Do we travel by hot balloons, class? No, but it's good. Hot balloon. Okay, great. All right. So now what is going to happen is that I would want you to do 2 things this evening. Here in class, you will get together and you'll make up you begin to design your poster according to the mode of travel. And when you go home tonight, you'll do an internet search on www.msn.com to really identify some other modes of transport. Okay? Great. It was a pleasure having you all. Bye.